skal bare si at det er frábært å være Noregs sendiherre og Islandi. As a Norwegian ambassador to Iceland, it is always very striking to see how much cooperation there is between institutions and organizations, within companies, between companies, and between people and individuals under the level of the formal Nordic cooperation. To me, this very huge anthill of Nordic sharing and of sharing of experience and cooperation, and not the least of inspiration, mutual inspiration, is the fabric of the Nordic family. And in these times, when we are all searching for the best way to inform ourselves about the direction to take and the uncertainties that we see, the public and open discussion about safety and security, about the risks and the threats, is perhaps more important than ever before. An open and well-informed conversation is not sufficient to guarantee that the best decisions be made. But without such an open conversation, the risks are much higher that we do not manage to make good or to make the necessary decisions. So I think it is extremely valuable that insights into how we produce and avail ourselves of situational awareness as a basis also for this open conversation in the Nordic countries, that these insights are also shared. We are sufficiently different to do things differently, and we shall respect that. But we are also sufficiently similar to take inspiration from each other. And I believe this is important, along with all the other things we do together. And Carlos, now I need your help. Can you give me the sheet of paper under my pillow, my glasses? Because today, as Professor Bjerga said, this is an auspicious day. It is 80 years since the liberation of Europe after the Second World War. And some of us this morning, we met at the 330 Squadron's Memorial Stone at Naustdalsvik. We do this every year, and you are all welcome. But as Professor Bjerga mentioned, the Prime Minister of Norway chose this very day to publish the National Security Strategy. And it is to be found on the Norwegian government's website, and it looks like this. This is the one Professor Bjerga mentioned. So with this, I just want to thank the Ministry, who unfortunately had to leave us. It was inspirational to listen to her. And to thank you, the Commissioner of Icelandic Police, for having us. Thank you so much, Professor Bjerga and Ms. Blomberg, for coming and sharing with us. And thank you, Varberg, for propelling into existence this very seminar and for being the motor behind this. And for all of you, thank you for coming. It's been most inspirational. Thank you. I think we're done.